Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Miss Sahar here from Metropolitan School. It's social studies time for class 5. Today we are going to study unit number 2, which is all about locating places. Students, whenever you want to order something online or you want to go somewhere from Uber or Careem or by Kia, so how do you order और बुक योर राइड? कैसे करते हैं आप? कैसे उबर या करीम या कैसे कोई भी राइड या कोई भी ऑर्डर आपके डोर स्टेप तक आ जाता है? यस, दिस इज़ डन बिकॉज ऑफ द गूगल मैप्स. ऐसे ही होता है. सो मैप्स हेल्प अस टू फाइंड the location of any particular place throughout the world, throughout the earth. ये सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपने किसी भी नियरेस्ट पॉइंट को सर्च करना चाहेंगे मैप पर या वहाँ जाना चाहेंगे तो वो आपके लिए इजी होता है, बल्कि आप पूरी दुनिया में किसी भी जगह पे मैप को लोकेट करना चाहते हैं तो वो इजीली लोकेट हो सकता है. हाउ दिस हैपन्स? Today we are going to learn this in this unit. In order to understand the earth in a better way, astronomers have divided the earth into different sections. These sections have done with the help of some imaginary lines. As you must have noticed that when the sun strikes on the earth, the half portion of the earth enjoys the daytime while the other half enjoys the night time. Same as when sun rays strikes on earth, some portion of the earth receives direct sunlight, which is definitely the center of the earth. When we divide the earth with an imaginary line from the center in east to west direction, it is called equator. This is called 0-degree latitude also. It divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. The upper portion of the hemisphere is called the northern hemisphere, same as the bottom portion is called the southern hemisphere. Same as when we divide the earth from the center in north to south direction, it is called the prime meridian. It is also called 0-degree longitude. It also divides the earth into two equal hemispheres. The western portion is called the western hemisphere, same as the eastern portion of the earth is called the eastern hemisphere. Now let's learn some more imaginary lines drawn around the earth. Lines running parallel to the prime meridian are called lines of longitude, and then the lines running from parallel from equator are called lines of latitude. In this way, they form a grid in the globe from which we can find the location of any place easily. Now, the northernmost point and the southernmost point of the earth is called North Pole and the South Pole. Northern portion lies in the Arctic region and southern portion lies in the Antarctic region. These are the two most freezing points of the earth. You have to do the home assignment. You have to read chapter number 2 and do exercise D, question numbers 1 to 4 in copy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.